You're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. You want a snack this afternoon? Yeah? I haven't seen you for a while. This storm's been keeping you away. Well, I can come closer. Look at your feathers all nice and clean. You're hungry, darling. You're very beautiful. I love you. Hope Sharky and Amelia were okay. Gosh, your coat, your feathers, amazing. Magnificent. Magnificent you are. Beautiful specimen of a lovely lady. I've got a sneaking suspicion you know how beautiful you are. Yeah. Yes, you. You with your blue eyes, twinkling in the sun. Got my heart. And smell gorgeous. Gosh, you smell yummy. You might have to call the video at that. Love you very much. Have a good day.